right hand first. Your overhand behind you, so it's cap. Then when you get to the top, you come across the front, extension, then back to the cap, then extension on the front, cap, extension on the front, cap, extension on the front, and then 5, we'll do 4 more, 4, extension, 3, extension, 2, extension, and last one, extension. Now let's do the left hand. So same thing, we're gonna do cap, extension, cap, extension, cap, extension, cap, extension, and we'll do 5 more, and 4 more, and 3 more, 2 more, and last one. Now for me, I think starting from here is useful. So you solidly have the cap, and then when you're ready, throw the extension in and go back to the cap. When you're ready, throw the other extension in and go back to the cap. So you alternate, but you don't have to do it every time to start until you're comfortable with doing it every time